Imagine a world where avocado toast is not just a brunch staple, but a symbol of your entire financial philosophy. Pause. You've probably heard the term millennial tossed around like it's both a compliment and a critique, but let's dive into how this generation is redefining the very essence of money management. First off, let's talk spending. Millennials aren't just throwing their cash at the latest tech gadgets or overpriced lattes. No, they're more strategic than that. They're the generation that popularized the buy experiences, not things mantra. Festivals, travel, and unique dining experiences over owning the latest car model? You bet. They're swapping out the traditional markers of success for a life rich in memories, not material possessions. But here's the twist. They're not just spending willy-nilly, they're doing it with a keen eye on value. Think about it. Why spend on a house when you can Airbnb your way around the globe? Now onto saving. Here's where it gets really interesting. Millennials grew up in the shadow of economic downturns, watching their parents' 401ks shrink like a wool sweater in the wash. This has made them skeptical, to say the least. They're saving, sure, but in ways that would make your grandpa scratch his head. High-yield savings accounts, robo-advisors, and apps that round up your change to save the difference. They're not just saving for a rainy day, they're preparing for a monsoon. And let's not forget, they're doing all this while student debt looms larger than the national deficit. But the real game changer is how millennials invest. Forget about the days when investing meant calling up a broker who sounded like he was 120 years old. Millennials are diving into the stock market like it's a pool party, but they're bringing their own floaties. Think ETFs, crypto, and peer-to-peer lending. They're not afraid to take risks, but they're educated risks. Social media has turned investing into a communal activity. You're more likely to find investment advice on Twitter than in a dusty old book. They're also the first generation to truly embrace ESG investing, prioritizing companies that align with their values on environmental, social, and governance issues. This generation also has a knack for side hustles. The gig economy isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. From freelancing to flipping items on eBay, they're not putting all their eggs in one employment basket. This isn't just about making ends meet. It's about creating multiple income streams in an unstable job market. But here's where the plot thickens. Despite their savvy, there's a paradox. Millennials are often painted as living paycheck to paycheck, yet they're also at the forefront of financial innovation. They're caught between wanting to live in the now and planning for a future that feels increasingly uncertain. They're saving less for retirement than previous generations, not because they don't want to, but because they're juggling so many other financial balls. So what does this all mean? It means that the millennial approach to money isn't just about numbers in a bank account. It's about flexibility, ethics, and a dash of rebellion against traditional financial wisdom. They're redefining wealth in terms of experiences, sustainability, and a life less ordinary. In this new financial landscape, where avocado toast might just be more than a meme, one thing is clear. Millennials are changing the game, one avocado at a time.